I know this is not the proper way to do it to help your channel because of the way YouTube's algorithms work, but rather than give the explanation for this video as the lead-in, I'm doing it after the steps because I know a lot of you just want to know how to do this and don't care to know why. So here's the steps, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Step 1, on your device, go to Settings, select Screen Time. Near the bottom by the red icon, Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top, select iTunes and App Store purchases. Now select Deleting Apps. Make sure it's set to Don't Allow to keep from having apps deleted. Pretty simple once you know how to do it and where to find it. I decided to post this video because the steps to do this are not very intuitive, and maybe you have something that you don't want deleted, because sometimes when apps like my Thumnail one that I bought years ago that I use on my iPad that had unlimited upgrades included in the deal when I bought it, they changed the name so it's no longer recognized as that app. So now on my phone I can't use it anymore because it prompts you like, oh, don't you want to remove apps that you aren't using on a regular basis? And when you do that, it has to re-download it from the server, and if it's not there on the server anymore, you're out of luck. Also, in some cases, people might have young children who might get a hold of their device, and kids do what they do, and maybe they accidentally delete apps on your device and you find out later after the fact the hard way. I don't know if this works on 12. I can't imagine anybody still running 12, but maybe you are. But this wasn't a problem for me until I was running 13. So this runs on 13 and 14 for sure. I haven't tested it on 15. It's not intuitive at all, and if you do turn this on, this is also how you get back to turn it back off if you do want to delete something off your iPhone or your iPad. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.